Let's begin a new math lesson. Today's topic is called estimation. It helps us make quick guesses with numbers. Not the exact answer, but something close enough. Estimation makes math easy, fast, and fun. Ready to explore this clever trick? Let's get started.
This is Meena. Today, Meena wants to buy a Maggi pack and a thumbs-up bottle. She checks the prices. Maggi costs 68 rupees and 50 paise. Thumbs up costs 21 rupees and 50 paise. Meena thinks these numbers are tricky. So she uses a smart trick called estimation. Estimation means making a good guess. Meena rounds the prices. Maggi becomes 70 rupees. Thumbs up becomes 20 rupees. Now Meena adds them. 70 plus 20 is 90. But Meena wants to be sure. So she asks her mom for 100 rupees. That will be enough to buy both things. And she'll get some change back too. Estimation helped Meena shop smart and save time. Let's learn how she does it.
First, let's learn the rules of estimation. It's very easy. Just remember these steps. If the number is less than 5, we round down. If the number is 5 or more, we round up. We round to the nearest multiple of 10, 100, 1000, and so on. And remember, we don't need the exact answer. Just a number that is close and easy to use.
Estimation is smart and quick math. Let's learn how to round numbers to the nearest 10. We look at the ones digit. If it's 5 or more, we round up. If it's less than 5, we round down. Look at these examples. 86. The ones digit is 6, which is greater than 5, so we round up. 86 becomes 90. In 39, we again round up, so 39 becomes 40. If we take 77, which is it closer to, 70 or 80? 77 is nearer to 80, so it is rounded up. For 31, the ones digit is less than 5. 31 is rounded down to 30. 103 is rounded down to 100. What about 914? Should it be rounded up or down? Ones digit is 4, so 914 becomes 910. And what happens to numbers that end with 5? Let's take 85. Should it be 80 or 90? What about 15? Now think, how can we round numbers to nearest hundreds? Now let's learn how to round numbers to the nearest 100. It's just like rounding to 10, but with bigger numbers. Here's the trick. If the number ends in less than 50, we round down. If it ends in 50 or more, we round up. Let's try some. 467 is rounded up to 500. 776 becomes 800. What will be 993? It's very near to 1000. Right? What about rounding down? Let's take 834. Here 34 is less than 50, so we round it down to 800. 116 goes down to 100. What about 943? It is rounded down to 900. And what should we do with numbers ending in 50? Should 350 be rounded to 400 or 300? 1050 should become 1000 or 1100. Now put on your thinking caps and tell how to use estimation in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with larger numbers.
Let's quickly summarize what we have learned about estimation. First, look at the digit to the right of the place you want to round. If that digit is 5 or more, we round up. If it's less than 5, we round down. Then, change all the digits after the rounding place to 0. Can you try rounding the numbers shown here on your own? Let's try. And remember, your teacher is here to help.
Now it's your turn. Round each number to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Let's begin. Look at the first number, 44. Take a moment. What will it round to? Let's go to the next one, 85. Will you round it up or down? Think about the last digit. Moving on. Here's 691. Focus on the last two digits. What's the nearest 100? Ready for a bigger number? Try 969. Which thousand is it close to? 1423. Look at the tens digit this time. Round it to the nearest 100. Now try this one. 2375. Round it smartly. Next one. 7621. Think, is it nearer to 7000 or 8000? And the last one. 9231. What do you think? Should you round up or down? All done? Now check your answers with your teacher.
Now let's use estimation to add and subtract. First, we round the numbers. Then solve, quickly and easily. Let's try the first sum. 38 plus 47. We round 38 to 40. And 47 to 50. Now it's easy. 40 plus 50 equals 90. Next one. 98 plus 120. We round both to 100, as 100 is an easy number to work with. 100 plus 100 equals 200. Now try a bigger one. 275 plus 488. 275 is estimated as 250 and 488 becomes 500. So, 250 plus 500 is 750. Now let's try subtraction. 608 minus 287. We make the numbers easy by rounding. 608 becomes 600. And 287 is rounded to 300. Now we have 600 minus 300. That is equal to 300. This is our estimate. The actual answer of 608 minus 287 is 321. The estimated answer is near to the actual answer. It means our estimation is correct. The last one here is 809 minus 416. 809 is taken as 800 and 416 is rounded down to 400. 800 minus 400 equals 400. That's our estimate. The actual answer of this sum is 393. So our estimation is correct. Did you see how estimation turns hard sums into easy ones? Isn't that cool?
Now that we've seen how estimation works with addition and subtraction, let's try with multiplication and division. First one here is 64 times 5. We round down 64 to 60. To calculate 60 times 5 is easier. We can just multiply 6 times 5 to get 30 and add the 0 from 60 at the end. So, we get 60 times 5 is 300. That is our approximate answer. Next one, 149 times 2. Let's round up 149 to 150. Similar to the previous one, we leave the 0 and multiply 15 times 2. It gives us 30. Now we add the 0 at the last, making our answer equal to 300. So, 149 times 2 approximately equals 300. Now, let's try division. 325 divided by 5. Rounding 325 to 300. We get 300 divided by 5. To make it easier, we divide 30 by 5 and then add the 0 at the end of the answer. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Adding 0 makes it 60. We can say 325 divided by 5 is approximately 60. Now for some tricky ones. 765 divided by 19. To get easy numbers, we round down 765 to 760 and 19 is taken as 20. To make it even simpler, we take out 0 from both dividend and divisor. So, 760 divided by 20 is the same as 76 divided by 2. Our answer is 38 approximately. You can calculate and check whether our estimate is near to the actual answer. Now see the last one, 1035 divided by 23. Rounding down makes it 1000 divided by 20. 1000 divided by 20 is the same as 100 divided by 2, that is after cancelling out the 0 from dividend and divisor. Now, this is looking easy, right? We get our approximate answer as 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. The actual answer of 1035 divided by 23 is 45. So, our estimation is correct. Did you understand how we solved these sums using estimation? Remember, there's no right or wrong method. It's just your own way to work with numbers in your head. Estimation helps us find answers that are close enough and makes math feel easy and fast. It's okay if you need more practice. We'll keep learning together.